Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox kicking you out on mobile. First, always check your internet connection. A stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is crucial for uninterrupted gameplay. Next, make sure your Roblox app is fully updated. Outdated versions often have bugs. Finally, a simple restart of your mobile device can resolve many temporary software glitches, giving you a fresh start before launching the game. Optimizing your app and device can significantly reduce disconnections. Start by clearing the Roblox app's cache and data in your device settings. This removes corrupted temporary files. Also, ensure you have at least 1 GB of free storage space on your phone or tablet. Lastly, close all other applications running in the background to free up valuable system resources for Roblox, preventing performance issues that lead to kicks. Network and server issues are common culprits for unexpected kicks. Try switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which connection offers better stability. If you suspect regional network problems, using a virtual private network or VPN might help. Always check Roblox's official server status page as well. Widespread outages can affect everyone, and there's little you can do until they resolve it. If the problem persists, consider reinstalling the Roblox app entirely. This ensures a clean installation without any lingering corrupted files. You might also try lowering your in-game graphics settings. High settings can strain your device and connection, leading to disconnections. If all else fails, don't hesitate to contact Roblox support directly. They can offer personalized assistance and investigate more complex issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.